Hello! This short video will show you how to use the Data Access Portal at the Minnesota Department of Health website. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here I'm at the Minnesota Department of Public Health Data Access Portal. There's the web address there. Over here on the left, we have a variety of categories of data that can be looked at. We are actually going to work with asthma data, which is found here. This contains general information about asthma data in Minnesota. Over here on the left, though, is our data query. That's where I want to go next. And here we get a little form that allows me to download the asthma data. This form looks similar with other data sets from the Minnesota Public Health Data Access website. We're going to be selecting data at the county level, so I want to select one or more counties here. If we want to select many counties at once, we want to use Shift-Click. So let's start with Atkin County there, hold the Shift button down, and highlight all of the counties that we want downloaded here. I am interested in the emergency department visits, so I will select that there, and I want data from the most recent set of years. So now when that is set up, I'm ready to hit submit. Down below here, I get my table of data. You can see that I have several records broken out for each county, and then I have several fields as well in this data. Down below here, I want to select the download button, which will allow me to download this tabular data. So let's do that next. We can see down here in the lower left that I am getting a CSV file. So that is the file that I am going to want to load into either my spreadsheet or other software package. If I do a right click here, a click, I can say show in folder if I want, or I can open that file. So I just real quickly want to show you what the contents of that file looks like, because there's going to be some issues with some information in the footer of that file. So let's say show in folder. Here's that file in the folder. And what I want to do next is just open that with, let's say, Notepad, which is just a simple text editor here on a Windows machine. Here's what that file looks like. It is indeed a comma separated values. So we can see that we have commas separating each of the fields there. They are using a double quote as a text qualifier in this file. The first row actually has my field names for me. But as I said a moment ago, at the footer of this file down here at the bottom, they have some additional information that's going to have to be ignored when putting this data into a tabular format. So when we're reading that into our spreadsheet or other software programs, we're going to have to make sure and exclude that information in the footer of this file. Okay then, that does it for downloading data from the Data Access Portal at the Minnesota Department of Health website. Thank you. Have a good day.